it's quite a shame what happened in Anambra State, where a pregnant woman had to lose her life. Because if I hear people they shout, solution is here, solution, now lie, solution not there anywhere. Because if say Chukuma Charles get the solution, what happen for Anambra State for no happen? He has no solution. Anambra State never transformed. Because we saw him like that reformer that was going to make Anambra the Dubai of Africa, like he said. That man that was going to set a landmark. That man that was going to set a standard for other governors to emulate and follow. Everybody supported him massively. Even people that are not from Anambra State supported him overwhelmingly because they saw him like that agent of change that was going to bring something new into the system. But unfortunately, it's not so. I don't know whether in the see the people of Anambra like say them be animals. Maybe say they need use force to control. Now maybe even force of stick, now force of gun. You go buy a give everybody the whole youth for Anambra. For what? You want to use them for election or what? Every young boy in Anambra State is carrying a gun, terrorizing their fellow citizens. You go see them well dreaded with marks. They like say them be commandos where they go fight Boko Haram. Take for instance what happened to that young girl that they had to strip her naked. There is no justification. Yet he come outside, they tell us say this thing has happened a month before, maybe weeks before. He didn't take any action. If now your daughter, you know go take action. Instantly. Those people, if now your daughter, people will do your daughter that thing, by now, nobody, if you don't send them inside, nobody could hear them cough. But not until the video surface. When the video resurface, at that time, your wife, self, they call the woman to console, commiserate with the young girl, with an strip of her values, of her integrity. At that time, you self, you even see the girl eyeball to eyeball. What a shame. At that time, you arrest the people. At that time, you persecute them. Just imagine what's going on. It shows like you don't even care. All that matters to you right now is re-election. All that matters to you right now is re-election. Because if you cared, as soon as you saw that video of that young girl stripped naked, you will act immediately. Now, what happened in Anambra State yesterday? That a lady, a pregnant lady had to lose her life. Make we hear from your Commissioner of Information. Listen to his Commissioner of Information.
As we speak, the governor is on his way to Onitsha. When we got wind of the incident yesterday, those who were involved in it were promptly arrested and handed over to the police. The three others that sustained the gunshot injuries were taken to hospital. One person died, not several. Some accounts say 3, some say 4. No, one woman died. And it's regrettable enough. And the operation Clean and Healthy Anambra, aka OCHA Brigade, has an environmental duty imposed on them by the law establishing them to keep Anambra State clean and healthy. And what took them there yesterday was therefore a legitimate statutory responsibility.
See your Commissioner of Information. See the way he is sounding. Not one, not two. It's just one lady that lost her life. Just one. Even though it's regrettable. See how it sound. They say if they carry person dead body, if you see them for casket, you go send a firewood until you carry your own. Pregnant woman carry one living thing inside. No be two. No be two people lose their life. You know who that woman they provide for? You know whether she get beneficiaries? We be say without her now, those beneficiaries too go die. See how you're making it sound so easy. OCHA Brigade. Who is OCHA Brigade? Let me explain to you guys what OCHA Brigade is from what the commissioner said. Because if I tell them, I say no solution there. Now, OCHA Brigade is like all these sanitation agents. Even federal government get their own sanitary agents. Then they use gun. When sanitary agents start to use gun, maybe if you too much, then go call police, but you give them guns. because Anambra people are animal. The truth is, you no go blame anybody when they resist them. Because they are dreaded. They are just there to intimidate you. They are just there to embarrass you. They are just there to harass you. So you reacting. Now you go make, why you go give Ocha brigade sanitary officers gone? Anambra people are so they don't hostile reach. Is that how hostile the people of Anambra is? Like you have to give a sanitary officers gun, distribute gun. Now election you want use them for? You know, go discard those people, withdraw those guns from them. Not be hard for them. Now you are calling police to arrest them. Why didn't you get police to arrest the situation in the first place? You call illiterates, dogs from village, dogs from any part of Nigeria, carry gun, give them. Make them enforce sanitary rule. Because we be animals. The fear of the gun will make everybody obey. It's to tell you you've lost your respect. If you as a governor can't come out and say something and everybody abides by it, you must use a gun to terrorize people so that they'll fall in line to what you've said, then you've lost your respect. You've lost your values. It shows you don't have the solution. Where is the solution? What thing you want govern? Now, when everybody from Anambra State they don't buy them finish. Now that time you want come govern. Now which people you want govern? Now ghost you want govern. If everybody is dead, who do you now govern? You are the daddy of the state. You're supposed to treat everybody like your children. That's how Amatekun they operate. They use gun. See, if you look at Amatekun, well-dressed, well-kitted. Well-dressed, well-kitted. The people will go harass that girl, strip her naked. Now inside hostel, then go. Did you create the vigilante to be going inside the hostel? Did you create them to be going inside the hostel? That was the first thing you were supposed to do, to strip them off, arrest them, lock them up, send them to court, because they've fallen short of the duties you sent them to go to handle. Yet you allowed them. Now when the video surfaced, you say you've suspended them. Yet you didn't see the girl. Now you know, say you could provide, you go replace the girl gadgets. It's not fair. It's not fair. I'm speaking from my heart. The last time I was in Anambra, I was terrorized by those same boys. They extorted me. They took money from me. You see them in Sienna cars, like in convoy, driving slowly. They don't want people to overtake them. Driving very slowly with their marks, all marked up. You know if you differentiate between them and the unknown gunmen. What's going on? Man, if you don't have the solution, step down. You don't need to go for re-election. Make somebody will get the solution, enter there. Not terrorizing people with guns. The guns are now excess. Make we know, make we know people who will run from. We know, you know they sleep with these boys. You don't know what they use these guns to do in the middle of the night. You spread out guns and you expect there should be sanity in the state when guns are littered all over the place. What's going on? Come on, sanitary officer. Even federal government don't even give road safety gun. They no give sanitary officers gun. VIO, they no give them gun. But you bought gun distributed. Do you know how much is one pair? Do you know how much is one of those guns? Money way for use do develop Anambra State well. Give people jobs. Make the insecurity reduce. And you carry buy guns litter everywhere. Now them I saw a video when they were chasing after ballot box. They chased the ballot box to somebody's house. Instead of you to use police, now you are using the vigilante to chase after ballot box. Can you imagine? Is that what we are going to go through in November? Is that what we are going to see in November? Come on. Man, if you don't have the solution, not ringing solutions in our ear. If you have the solution, you step back. The best way to get the solution, step in. What's going on? Now, an innocent lady has to lose her life. You carry gun, give environmental officer. People will go say, make them sweep gutter, make them pack this one, no sell something by the side of the road. Hey, pack your things, pack your kaya. Almost all the states have people like that, but none of them were giving guns. Only you gave yours guns. Once you bring up young boys, you give them guns. What's the meaning of that? Now, what would they suffer from? What's going on? Man, this has to stop.